welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Noble Socialite. In this video, I'm doing unboxing and review of USB rechargeable electric and portable juicer blender. It can be charged by power bank, laptop, computer, mobile phones or other USB sources, which I'm going to show you later. It is a smart portable juicer blender and very creative rechargeable juicer cup, 2-in-1 design. It is a water bottle and also a juicer. You just need to put your favorite fruits into the bottle and press the switch button. Then it will auto stir and mix, so you can enjoy 1 cup of DIY juice at any time and anywhere. It is perfect for traveling, business trips and other outdoor activities use. As you can see, before unboxing I'm showing you the product features. As you can see, it says portable and rechargeable battery operated juicer blender, and look at the package. I'm gonna open it now in some time. See, as it shows here, the perfect juice maker, and of course the specifications are there as you can see here. I'm giving you more details in some time, so stay tuned. Well, you can call it small, mini, portable, Pop Baby's personal juicer blender, and it weighs only 10 oz capacity. It has sleek looks as I'm showing you now, and I'm gonna open it for you. Look at this beauty. It looks amazing, and this is very handy. It's very comfortable to use, user friendly to be honest, I can say, and it's super lightweight, compact to put in your bag, briefcase or backpack and go out with ease. It's an excellent alternative to water bottles, light for home and outdoors, for travel or offices. It takes only 40 seconds to make a cup of juice. Can you imagine? USB rechargeable fruit juicer is compatible with any power device with USB port, such as plug into your car adapter, AC adapter or power bank. You can travel worldwide without worrying about the charging issues. The battery capacity can make up to 10 cups of juices and takes only 4 hours to charge. Made of food grade material, the thickness of the cup is thicker than the other cups and glasses we find in the market. Rugged and durable, not easily deformed and broken, it is healthy for kids, friends and families. This mini blender is waterproof, which makes it easier to clean up. You can rinse the entire parts directly with water. The stainless steel blade inside is hidden design for the purpose of safety, helps you avoid being cut while cleaning. One button start and easy to use. It's powerful, 4 blades and well electric design, supports high speed rotation to drive eddy currents, enabling efficient automatic mixing and automatic cleaning. USB personal fluid blender can not only blend fruits and vegetables but also ice cubes. I haven't tried ice cubes here, but I will show you later some other video. This will be very useful and convenient on hot summer days. As you can see, I'm showing you the USB wire which you can attach. I'm going to show you where you have to attach. I'm showing you everything in this blender. It will be easier for you to understand the specifications and features of this beautiful creation. Guys, I'm going to make a banana milkshake and try this blender. So for that I have taken 1 cup of milk, 1 banana and a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to show you how it works. So this blender is right here, as you can see. I'm gonna cut this banana into small pieces because it's probably not going to work if I put it in the same way it is. So I'm going to make small pieces, put it inside and put some milk in it now. As you can see, I have put banana already. Some sugar is going inside. It's up to you if you want to add sugar. If you don't like sugar and if you have some problem with sugar, you can just have sugar free. I've put the milk inside, so let's close it now. There is a rubber inside for the safety, so it can protect from spilling. This is the other cover which goes on, and it's very handy, as you can see on the side. Yeah, you just have to press that button twice and it works. It's very handy, very easy to use. Even the kids can use it. As you can see, there's milk, banana, and the sugar I put for myself because of the taste. I like it a little sugary. It's up to you guys, as I said earlier, if you want it with sugar or not. See how nicely it's blending. You just have to be very careful when you're cutting the fruits or vegetables. Just make small pieces, because bigger ones they're not taking very well. So yeah, it's good for use. So as I said earlier, you have to be very careful when pressing that button. You have to double click on it. You have to press it twice, not once, so it starts working. Otherwise it won't work. And you have to make very small pieces of fruits, because the blades inside are really small. See, as you can see the residue on top. You can just open up and pour the milkshake. It's ready. It looks delicious, it looks nice. So I'm gonna just pour it in a glass to show you guys how it worked. Well, as I was saying earlier, you have to be very careful when putting the fruits or vegetables inside. You have to make very small pieces of fruits and vegetables, so the results will be good. Because here I used full banana, I wasn't able to blend it very nicely as I was expecting it, but yeah, good results though. And the taste is okay as well, as you can see. So try it at home, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends so they can subscribe my channel as well, so I can make more videos and do reviews for you guys in the future. I'm showing you from the inside. As you can see, 4 blades. You can open up and wash, by the way, it's not a problem, because it's battery operated, so it's safe, and the battery is inside this portable juicer. It's safe to wash as well. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you really liked my video and the review, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.